Hello people and welcome to our cooking show. Today another person signed up to go on this cooking show, and if they cook perfectly they'll get their own restaurant and get $1 million. Okay, and people, this is Bud's cooking show.
Well, today people, we are going to be making cut.
Yeah, cut. We don't need this. Did you cut that? Yes. Dude, you didn't get the microphone up close to Bart. But if I get there, the camera will see me. Just get a little close. Okay, I got my microphone, my headphones. Now you sit. Now you stay there. You signed up for the start. Start over. Okay. Did you put the on screen? Yep, I did. Start now. Let's do the on screen. Hello and welcome to our cooking show. And somebody wanted to take the challenge, and it's Bart, so the show is called Bart's Cooking Show. Yay! 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 Good job, Bart. Give me a handshake. Yeah. Did you get that?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Next. Alright, so Bart is gonna make Lunchables, and I'm gonna try them out. If he's a bad cook, he's kicked out of his show, and he won't get his $1 million. If he's a good cook, he'll get his own restaurant, and he'll get $1 million. He'll be rich by then. So yes, that is what's gonna be happening. Flash, and yes, but get ready to make those Lunchables.
Alright guys, let's get started. Cut. Good part, people. Good part. Next scene. Good talking.
Well, it's time to get ready. Let's get ready.
As you can see, we have a lot of these in here. We are obsessed with them. Sorry about that. We are so obsessed.
Bud's moving too fast. Bud, stop moving. I need to get you on cam.
Oh, sorry.
Man, cut that. That was terrible.
I'm sorry.
Bud, get on camera.
I'll try.
And go. You, Blue Fuddy, make sure his voice is on there. Because you're the microphone man.
Okay, boss.
Okay. Get ready.
Okay.
Alright.
Action. Okay. Alright, people. Follow me. Our fridge is filled with Lunchables. We are obsessed with them. Okay, perfect one here. Let's go.
Also, you gotta make it yourself.
Well, good. I have one.
No, that doesn't count. Because then it comes with
I can't make any desserts. Actually, I can.
Dude, there's Sour Patch Kids right there.
Oh, I know. Alright, follow me. Follow me. I've got paper plates. Alright. Lunchables.
But stop moving too fast. I need to get you on cam.
Cut. Foxy, stop complaining.
Yeah, but he's going too fast. I need to get him on cam. I can't even get the microphone up close to him. People, keep rounding, or you are going to the scrapyard. What, scrapyard? I'm kidding. You're not going to the scrapyard. You'll just be fired. Anyways, action. Cut. Try again.
I didn't even do anything.
Yeah, but Blue Fuddy screwed up. We have to try again.
I'll try to get closer to him.
Alright, action.
Alright, people. Over here is Lunchables. Let's get these opened. Okay, dude. Okay. Ugh. Okay, Lunchables. Ew. Ew, it's like poop.
Wow.
Okay, here we go. Look nice and comfy. Should we add sauce or no sauce? Boss, do you like sauce or no sauce?
No sauce.
Okay, then follow me, people. Like, I guess we don't need this anymore. Bam! Okay. Okay, people, let's go. Let's go. Let's go! Come on. Punch that box. Hold the camera, bro. Okay. Next, we have the... Put the pepperoni I put 3 on each. I put 3 on each. And guys, look at this, you know. And do you guys know who this looks like?
It looks like you when you're burnt alive in a crisp donut.
But these things aren't even cooked. Okay, put them on.
It looks like you're burnt alive in a crisp donut.
Oh snap! On the wrong way. Okay, next we gotta put on the cheese.
Boo!
Oh, put on the cheese. Put on the cheese. It's raining cheese. Now that our cheese is on, let's go ahead and start cooking. I can't pick up the plate. Help! Help, boss! I need help.
Start going faster.
Okay. Oh no, cheese!
Cut!
You told me to go faster!
No, not that fast. I meant like cook it fast.
Okay, alright, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Cameraman, you hit me right in the face with the door. Guys, let's do a replay of that. Yeah, see, that's in the face. Alright, let's just put these in. Alright. Wait, but for how long? I would say, yeah. Oh no! Curse my cute hands! Oh yes, I did it! Okay. For time cook, 3, 0, 0. I said, ooh. Okay. Start. Okay, good. And let's wait. Now that our thing is baking, I can hear it popping. Let's go ahead and open our delicious crunchy candy bar. Alright, just lay that there. Alright. Okay. Ew! These look so gross. Ew, look at this. Even the cheese that's on there, it looks like a sand paradise. Our judge doesn't mind. Alright, dude.
Dude, you are just making me laugh.
Alright, come on. Go ahead and try it.
Time to
Time to taste it. Oh, it smells so good.
Well, I'm going to eat the dessert first because I just love dessert. Nom, nom. Oh my gosh. So good. Alright, time to take a bite of these. And you put the cheese all over the plate.
To be honest, it does not look good.
It does look gross. It does taste kind of bad.
What?
But it is delicious!
Yeah!
Oh! Take them to the hospital. These are delicious.
Yum, I'm eating one right now. Yum, yum, yum. Ugh.
Well, Bert, your restaurant is going to be called Bert's Lunchables.
Yeah, we are the champions. My friends. Oh, at least I did one backflip.
Good job, Bart.
Thank you.
Did you guys know we have an audience behind us? The candy bar, though. It's too good. Cut. That was a good show, everybody. That was a good show. Alright, start. Well, if you want to go to Bart's restaurant called Bart's Lunchables, please subscribe to this channel and leave a like, hit the bell, and then to go to Bart's restaurant, you have to use all your life savings to get some Lunchables, or you can just get frozen ones. Boy, cut. Okay, did you get that? Yep, perfect. Good job, Bart. Your things are yummy.